In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the PhotoFast auto backup system with your cell phone. Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. Also check out the video description for the 3 simple steps to start building your ultimate smart home. Like I said in the beginning of this video, we're going to be installing this PhotoCube Pro by PhotoFast. So basically every time you plug in your phone, it's going to start backing up everything on your phone. So this is what the actual device looks like. It's a very simple device, but also very powerful. So on the one end here, we just have a normal USB that could be plugged into a computer. And on the other side, you have a female USB where you can plug in your charger. And how this works is there is a memory card slot in the back. So you just get a SD card and slide it into the slot here on the back right here. Just slide that in there. And now your PhotoCube has storage. And then what you would do after that, take your charging cord for your phone, plug it into the female end of the PhotoCube, and when you're actually charging your phone, we use this USB end and we add a USB charging end. So when you're going to be backing up, you use your charger, and when you're going to be downloading the data, you can just attach this to a computer or another device. So we just plug that in like this. And here we have everything connected. This is our charging cable. This is our PhotoCube. And then this is our charging block. Then all we do here is you would take an outlet, plug it in, and then you would plug in your phone. Now first we have to download the app. So we're gonna go ahead and download the app, show you how to do that. And then I'm gonna show you what happens when you plug in your phone to the PhotoCube. And then we will show you how to move the information from the PhotoCube to your computer. That way you can delete the information off of your phone and you can have it backed up on your computer. And I also recommend using Dropbox. That way, if something happens to your computer, it's backed up on Dropbox. All right, so to use the PhotoFast PhotoCube, we need to download the app. So you just need to go into your app store and just search for PhotoFast. And the one that you want is the PhotoFast one. And just go ahead and download that. And once it's downloaded, just tap open. All right, so now we need to begin the setup of the app. So we're just going to tap on begin setup. And we're just going to allow all of the permissions. That way we're able to back up everything on our phone. So, okay, all photos, okay, okay. All right, so the app is now set up, and now we can go ahead and back up our phone. So before we do that, let's go up into the settings. So at the very top here, there's a settings cog, tap on that. And what we can do is under auto backup, let's turn on contacts, calendar, and let's go into our photos and turn on auto backup there as well. All right, so that is done. And that's pretty much all we need to change here. This is the home screen here, and then these are all the other different options. We're not going to get into all this complicated stuff. All we want to do is do a backup of our phone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to plug in the charging cable into my phone, which is also plugged into the PhotoCube. And now it's authenticating. And now what it's going to do is just going to do a full backup of the phone. So you can see now it's backing up my calendar, and now it's creating an index for the photos and videos. And now it's going to back up the photos. So you can see this is super simple. All you got to do once you download the app is just plug in your phone. Now it's charging my phone and also backing up my phone to the SD card on the PhotoFast PhotoCube. All right, so the backup is now complete. We are in the simple mode now. So basically you have backup now, view photos and restore, and external storage. So if you wanted to see the advanced mode, which is kind of what we saw before, you can tap on that and it's going to take you over to the advanced mode. But we're going to stay with the simple mode. And you can see that on my SD card, I've only used 9% of the SD card. So I have a lot more space on this SD card to do future backups. Now let's see if we tap on the view photos and restore. This is actually accessing the SD card that's in the PhotoCube. So it's kind of like you're accessing a hard drive right from your phone. So mine is iPhone, and we also did a backup on Lyra's phone as well. And then it puts all of these folders here, and it organizes all of your photos and videos by folder. So if we go into 2021, and then under each one, let's actually go to 2020. So you can see it has a folder for each month of the year. So 1 through 12. And over on 2021, we only have one because it's January of 2021 as of recording this video. So if we go into there, it's going to show us all of our photos that we have that are backed up. So now let's go over to our actual phone, and we'll go into our photos here. And let's just go ahead and delete these last few photos. So we're going to tap these, and we're going to tap on delete and delete. All right, so now if we go back to the PhotoFast 1 app, you can still see that these photos are still here. So if I wanted to restore these photos, I can tap select at the top, and I can tap restore. And then it's going to say restore complete. Now if we go back over to our photos over here, you can see that these photos are now added back. You can back up to the PhotoCube. You can also restore from the PhotoCube. So it's just a really handy device. All right, so now we can put the PhotoCube into our computer using the USB. And you can hear that it connects, and it's going to open up the folder. Now, once in the backup folder, basically the same thing that we saw on the phone. So you have your calendar, your contacts that are backed up. You also have your photos. If we go into 2021 and the 01 folder, that these are going to be the same images that we saw before. And you can also view them on your computer as well. And then you can also take these files, and you can just say I want to take these. I could just right click, I could copy these, and then I could go into my Dropbox and paste them in. And then they would be in the Dropbox folder of my computer, which is automatically backed up to Dropbox. And they would also be on my computer, so I could, use it to view on the network or anything that I wanted to do. I hope you found that video helpful. As you can see, it's a super simple device. Basically just plug it in and it does everything for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll leave everything you need in the video description, including SD cards. And also, if you're looking for a new computer, I got this computer at sidex.com, and they have really great computers, fully customizable, and they also come with a lifetime warranty. So I needed something a little bit better to do the YouTube videos with, so I did upgrade my computer recently, and it's been a lot better. So I will see you in the next video.